Build an app to talk like Yoda, we will. If you're a fan of Star Wars, and who isn't, you're familiar with Yoda. Yoda was small and green and had a very particular way of speaking. We're going to build an app to translate standard English into Yoda speak. Here's how the completed app works. Here we have 3 different perspectives on our app. Here is the app actually in the folder 1 hour development. Notice the app is a .html file which runs natively in our browser. We don't need that. Here's the app itself running in the browser window. So this is the app being executed. And on the left is the code that actually makes up our app. I'll talk about the 3 languages that we use for the app in the next video. But this is the code itself that we'll be creating in order to make the app. All right, so let's make the app run. So the app here has a section in which the user inputs some text. So let's go ahead and input the text, "I like candy and cookies." I'm going to click the Translate Text to Yoda Speak button. And in a moment or two, we get the translation, "Candy and cookies I like, which is exactly how Yoda would say that. Let's try one more. I've been to California several times this year. Let's translate that into Yoda Speak. And been to California several times this year, I have. Her. So the translation works, and you may be noticing this delay between when we click the translate button and when we get a translation. I'll explain why that delay happens when we talk about the Yoda Speak API again a little bit later in the course. But remember, what you're seeing here in the browser window is a result of this code executing here on the left-hand side. And you're probably curious about exactly what makes up the code, and we've used 3 separate languages in order to produce the app. We'll learn about that in the next video.